Now we're going to move on to board E, our support piece. So to start off, we're going to hit File, New, select Part, and we're going to draw this in front plane, front view. We're going to sketch a rectangle again. And this rectangle is going to be 1.25 inches tall and 21 inches wide. Once you're done there, you can exit sketch, select your sketch, hit Features, Extrude Boss Base, and this is always 3/4, so 0.75, check mark. Then we're going to fillet just the bottom front of this at 0.25. Just this bottom front. Check mark, and you can save that as board E.